Vegan ice cream. Let's see how this comes out. Coconut milk, frozen bananas, dates that have been soaking in warm water for about an hour, some sea salt. Let's get the party started. It's not bad. The banana has this nice creamy texture and the date has this caramel nutty flavor. Is it like good old-fashioned ice cream? No, but it's okay. Ice cream. Let's do something mamma mia. Olive oil. It's like an olive oil affogato. Crushed pistachios, lemon zest. Express it. Just get that essence. Like a cocktail. You can't see it, but by twisting it, you release some of the juices from the lemon. Now let's try it. It's very nuanced in flavor. I like it. The olive oil and pistachios work well with the date ice cream. It has this like Middle Eastern vibe to it. I'm down. And it has a good level of sweetness with no added sugar. The natural sugar from the dates and bananas, that's all you need. Who says healthy eating can't be tasty?